Unveiling the Meaning, Anemic Look, in English. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, anemic look. This video will explore its meaning, usage, and origins. Understanding such phrases not only enriches your vocabulary but also gives you insight into the culture and nuances of the English language. The phrase, anemic look, refers to a physical appearance that suggests poor health, particularly a lack of vitality or energy. It's important to understand that anemic originally describes a medical condition where someone has a deficiency of red blood cells, leading to tiredness and paleness. So, when someone has an anemic look, they appear pale, weak, or lacking in energy, as if they might be suffering from anemia. The usage of anemic look is often figurative. It's used to describe not just people, but also things that lack vigor or vitality. For instance, the plant in my office has an anemic look. It needs more sunlight. After his illness, John had an anemic look that worried his friends. It's key to understand the context and the nuance. The phrase is more about appearance than an actual medical diagnosis. While anemic look is a descriptive phrase, it's crucial to use it sensitively and appropriately. Remember, discussing someone's health or appearance can be personal and sometimes offensive. Also, as language learners, it's fascinating to see how English often borrows from medical or scientific terms to create figurative language. I hope this exploration of the phrase, anemic look, has been enlightening. English is a language rich in expressions that paint vivid pictures. Remember, understanding these phrases helps in appreciating the beauty and depth of English. Stay curious, and happy learning!